if charting is something that you want to improve on, then you just focus on, I'm going to chart, and you're gonna, work on honing that skill, because the price action is matters so much. It's a very key and crucial foundational piece to all of this. A lot of the other things we're doing, adding on this indicator and that indicator, those are all great, but when it all those indicators are taking previous price action and giving you what they think is going to happen next. So all those are retroactive. The only thing that is, and even I guess price action, you can call it kind of retroactive, but at least you're looking at candle patterns and you can see, you can definitely see what's happening better with that in real time than using what an indicator gives you. So if you can pick something, you pick a thing and focus on that. Pick a thing and focus on that.